Well, another FN2 in at Dynodaze this morning. As you can see, this is a stunning colour. It's one of my favourites. So this one's got a few little mods on it. So we're going to stick it up on the dyno, do a stock power run, and then we're going to use the Ecutek software and get mapping. So look at it. I'm just going to have a quick look at this before we start. Uncle Keith's paint shop could do that bit, but apart from that, what a car! I am lucky enough to do what I want to do for myself. Wicked. Well, look how good that looks. It's made it up onto the dyno. I'm going to strap it down. Customer has just checked the oil and topped it up, so we're all good to go. Get it strapped, do a standard power run. Here we go. So it's fully decatted this. It's on a 4-to-1 manifold, I believe, and an exhaust system of some description that we shall find out. But the customer has requested pops and bangs, so we're going to see if we can do that for them. It's a pretty tidy engine bay, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Matching socks, which is more than I could say for myself this morning. Yeah, what a beautiful colour. Just a stunner. Okay, so she's had a standard power run and it's done okay, over 210 brake horsepower, and now we're flashing a base map so that we can start tuning. Richard's doing some really important work on his phone there, as you can see.
I'm looking at wheels.
Oh right, you're looking at wheels?
Yeah.
Well, that is important.
It was really important.
Okay, right, let's do a base run on this then. Well, not a base run, you know what I'm talking about, let's just go.
I'm not laughing at you. It's like, oh, please put the sensor back in my FN2. I want to take it home.
I do want to take it home. I'm sick of driving around in my battered CRZ.
Why don't you just say, Rich, stick the sensor back in that, will you? And start whining like a little bitch, and I'll do it for you.
Oh, well, you just fucking do it then.
Well, there you go. That's better. You see, you know what? It's fucking nothing like manning up, is there?
I'm gonna man up you. Right.
And not for the first time.
And not every year.
Every year.
Right. So, beautiful blue FN2. I'm loving the blues now. We see more and more of them, don't we?
Well, I think it's the third we've seen. So when you say we see more of them, there's not many of them.
There's not many of them, but we're starting to map them up.
Yeah, starting to map them up. So yeah, we see. This is the third one we've seen. This is a lovely 55,000 miles on the clock. Whoa. Probably as good as you're, as good as you're going to get. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Scenario. Mapped up lovely. Got minimal mods really. It's got a twin exit exhaust on it. It's got decat on it. It's got like a K&N panel filter in the airbox by the look of it. So yeah, nothing major going on mods wise, but
just shy of 220
brake. But not made a nice 220 with the map on there. So obviously everything's complemented nicely.
What did pops and bangs?
Yeah, with some pops
certainly
and bangs,
cleared out that exhaust on its first pops and bangs.
Did it?
Yeah.
Shot out, was it?
Shot out some sooty.
Yeah, so all mapped up really, really well. I mean, obviously there's always more, if you went for a better exhaust and so on and so forth. But I'm sure that the young lady will absolutely love it.
Fantastic.
So
great car.
Yeah, lovely, lovely. Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, go on then. Well, as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and we've got power in the mid-range. We've got we've extended it out to 8.6 and lowered the VTEC a bit, and it's made the power, so it's done well today, this one. And we finish on 218.9, which is 187 at the wheels. Just one last look at it. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. So code word below in the YouTube video comments is blue, because Richard likes a bit of blue. No comment. See you on the next one, Rich?
Yeah, why not? I suppose we will.
Richard's got a smile on his face. What are you smiling for today?
Oh, you've been enough.
I'm always an knob though, but you don't smile usually.
No.
Right, see you on the next one.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.